Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will learn you how to make text animation on Canva. So create new design, choose any presentation, go to text, add text, resize your text, go to fonts, select Anton or Archivo block, go to spacing, decrease spacing, put it in the middle of the page, go to elements and look for any background. I will choose this and make it in middle of the page and change text color to white color. Download the image. Remove this content and upload the image. Insert it in the page and remove the background and make it fit with the page. And now duplicate the page and go to the elements and look for some videos. I will select this one and the first and make it behind of the image. Go to layers and move it. Duplicate the page and go to layers also and move this video. Duplicate it again and go to elements and look for another video like this video and make it behind of the image again. So make the same operation for all the videos. Go to transition, select match and move and increase the duration. Make it for all pages and go to duration, decrease all videos to 10 seconds or less. For this first page we can change video like this and make it as 0 in transparency. I think That is enough for this part. Now download the video. Open another design with the same size that you created before and go to upload. Upload your video. Insert your video and make it as background. And insert it again and remove the background and flip the second video like this and resize it fit with the old video and make it under. Decrease the transparency just a little bit. And go to elements and select the background image and make it fit with the page and go oops, look for image blender, select this up exactly, select image. Now it looks good. Click on save. Our text animation is ready. Download your final video and watch the result. Shall we see the result? Make a like for our video and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching this video.